Actor Clarence Gilyard, who played a role in the hit TV series Walker, Texas Ranger, alongside actor Chuck Norris, has passed away. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Clarence Gilyard from Die Hard and the hit TV series Walker, Texas Ranger has passed away at age 66. Gilyard, the actor, is best known as well for playing the computer hacker Theo in the Die Hard movie and a naval flight officer Marcus in Sundown. His death was announced on Monday in a statement from the University of Nevada, Las Vegas, where he had been working as an associate professor at the College of Fine Arts. In a statement from the university, it read, "It is with profound sadness that I share this news," Dean Nancy Usher said in a statement shared on Instagram. His students were deeply inspired by him, as were all who knew him. He had many extraordinary talents and was extremely well known in the university through his dedication to teaching and his professional accomplishments. According to the university, Gilyard ventured into acting after studying theater arts at California State University. He landed his first role on the TV show Diff'rent Strokes in 1981. In 1986, his film debut, Top Gun, in which he played Sundown, one of the elite fighter pilots. 2 years later, he was cast as Theo, the computer expert who helped Hans Gruber terrorist group in the thriller Die Hard. He got his big primetime TV break in 1989 when he landed the role as Conrad McMasters on the NBC legal drama Matlock, starring opposite Andy Griffiths, and then he portrayed Chuck Norris' crime-fighting partner Jimmy Trevette on the hit TV series Walker, Texas Ranger. Gilyard acting credits also include Karate Kid Part 2, Chips, and the Left Behind films. Despite his accomplished acting career, Gilyard stepped away from acting in 2006 to start teaching at the University of Las Vegas and directing productions at the University of Nevada Conservatory Theater. "I'm wired to teach. I'm a professional, but the profession has feed the classroom. It has stimulated my characters because I'm in touch with people's life in the 21st century," he told the Los Angeles Review Journal in 2017. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to his family and friends at this time, because I know they're going through a difficult time, and I hope that they do find the strength and the courage to cope, as he was loved by millions of people right across the world. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Thanks for watching, and you can just drop it in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this story. Peace out and have a blessed and productive day from the Links 007 TV team.